current generation Toyota Sequoia has been on sale since 2007, not 2017, 2007. I'm Tom Voelk, and I'm here to show you the third generation. Let's get to it. Because there's an all-new Tundra pickup, it only makes sense that there's a new Sequoia because they're built on the same architecture and built in the same plant outside of San Antonio, Texas. Now, this is a preview, not a review. Nobody has driven the Sequoia, but it only makes sense that I show this to you just in case you're thinking about buying something like a Tahoe or a Suburban, Expedition, or Armada. For starters, Sequoia is based on a new architecture. This is from the Tundra event that I attended down in Texas. The frame is very cool, laser welded together from a bunch of different grades and thicknesses of steel, so it's light where beefiness isn't needed, yet very strong where it's required. The new Toyota Land Cruiser and Lexus LX 600 are based on this architecture, a reminder that we don't get the Land Cruiser in the US any longer. Powertrains? Well, unlike the Tundra that has a choice of two engines, Sequoia only has one. It's the iForce Max, because Max sounds more manly than hybrid. Yes, it is a hybrid, but it's set up mostly for power. A twin-turbo 3.5-liter V6 is augmented by an electric motor that, by its lonesome, makes 48 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque. The motor generator is sandwiched in between the V6 and a 10-speed automatic transmission. There's a total of 437 horses and 583 pound-feet of torque. I've driven the Max briefly. It starts out on electric power. The engine feathers in imperceptibly. It's very smooth. I can see why Toyota is sticking with the hybrid powertrain in Sequoia. As a truck-based SUV, Sequoia will be very capable. Toyota says it will tow up to 9,000 pounds. Toyota has provided running footage of it towing an Airstream because Airstreams are cool. Everyone wants to look this good. There's a tow tech package with a trailer backup guide system and straight path assist, which works by pulling forward to straightening everything out. And then you hit reverse, the system will guide it all back in a true line. Toyota did not provide video of this tech. I did use it on the Tundra at the event down in Texas, and it was fine, but I was in a hurry. This should be no surprise. Sequoia is a three-row SUV. There will now be 5 different trim levels. Toyota has provided video of 3 of them. Here's the TRD Pro. It has the design elements that you'd expect. Second row captain's chairs are standard. It's not just show, though there's a lot of that inside the cabin with red trim and digital camo. It's more capable off-road with Fox internal bypass shocks, a 1/4-inch aluminum front skid plate, a standard selectable locking rear differential, multi-terrain select, crawl control, and downhill assist control. This is the Limited, I believe the most popular trim level. It's a step above the base SR5 with a clear emphasis on added luxury and convenience. It gets the new 14-inch Toyota Audio multimedia touchscreen and interface adopted from the new Lexus system. Limited adds a bunch of stuff that buyers will want, like memory heated and vented front seats, heated wheel, power folding third row, and hands-free power liftgate. Both SR5 and Limited 4-wheel drive models can be had with the TRD off-road package. It adds selectable locking rear differential, multi-terrain select, hill descent control, crawl control, kind of an off-road cruise control, and a camera system to act as a spotter. Bilstein shocks, unique springs, and a red front axle too. There is a new top dog trim called Capstone, the fanciest Sequoia that you can buy. Think of it as Toyota's answer to Platinum, High Country, and Denali. You can tell it's fancy because there are chrome accents all around, including 22-inch wheels. Standard power running boards will help you up into the semi-aniline seats in an exclusive color combo. The wood is not just walnut, it's American walnut, and logos remind you that you spent a lot of money on this rig. Capstone gets special acoustic glass in the front doors too. All Sequoias come standard with Toyota's Safety Sense 2.5, which doesn't exactly roll off the tongue, but it's a great suite of active electronic safety tech that includes automatic emergency braking with pedestrian and bicycle detection, adaptive cruise control, and a system that, when you're turning left, will brake if there's an oncoming car that will T-bone you. Good stuff. Some trim levels get a bench in the second row, others get captain's chairs. Both designs recline. They fold and tumble forward for hauling big things, and not sure if they're removable. The third row has more space and can be had with power folding. There's a new sliding third row with 6 inches of travel, which will be helpful choosing between cargo and legroom. Also new, an adjustable cargo shelf system that can be set in a number of different ways. Very handy. If you're wondering about the fuel economy of the iForce Max hybrid powertrain, well, the EPA does not have figures on that, not even in the Tundra pickup. Car and Driver recently tested the iForce Max in a Tundra, and they found that the gas mileage was about the same as the gas-only version, which is an EPA average of 19 miles per gallon with 4-wheel drive. So this might be a hybrid, but it's no Prius. And if the 4-wheel drive system is like Tundra's, there's no set and forget automatic mode. I can tell you the difference in driving dynamics between the second generation Tundra and Gen 3 is significant. The new one is much easier and more comfortable to drive long distances with fewer micro corrections. Sequoia should benefit the same, especially good since these are used for family hauling. Some final details, like Tundra, I know I'm saying that a lot. There's Drive Mode Select that includes Eco, Normal, and Sport settings. Get the optional load leveling air suspension that's in the rear and the adaptive variable suspension, and there are more settings like Comfort, Sport S Plus, and Custom. A bird's eye camera view system will help when towing or maneuvering this big boy in the Safeway parking lot. Power folding and extending tow mirrors too. Well, there you go. That's your first look at the third generation Toyota Sequoia SUV. A fun fact, named after the tallest, strongest, and oldest trees in the world. Also, very hard to spell, lots of vowels. And a reminder, this is a preview. It's very different from the reviews that I do. And right now, somewhere around here, there should be links to my reviews that are popping up. Click on one of those if you're not familiar with my work. You'll be pleasantly surprised. They look great on a television. Watch them there. About 25% of people that watch them do. Thanks for watching. That's Driven. Yeah, even though I haven't driven this. I'm Tom Voelk.